Hey guys, Chase at Alamo Auto Supply here, and today let's talk about some leveling kits. So leveling kits, depending on your factory vehicle suspension, are most likely going to be a spacer for the front of the vehicle that brings the ride height up to match the rear. The most common uses for a leveling kit are going to be to clear a little bit larger tire, overall looks, and a little bit more ground clearance. The most common leveling kit brands that we carry here at Alamo are going to be Ready Lift suspensions. They're going to be rugged off-road, and some select zone and BDS kits depending on the vehicle. So of course the big question is going to be, why Alamo for your leveling kit or suspension? The best ones that we do have are going to be our 500-mile retorque program and our computerized alignments. The 500-mile retorque gives you a chance to go out, take the vehicle out, drive it off-road, drive it to and from work. After 500 miles are put on the vehicle, you go ahead and bring it back, and we'll have every nut and bolt gone over and make sure that it's all still tight. Besides that, the computerized alignment we do in-house after every suspension we touch to make sure you're straight and narrow to go down the road.